Hello, welcome to the Stump Knocker Garage. I'm removing the thermostat from the 1955 Chevy pickup truck. First, loosen up these two bolts. This little clip kind of holds on to the fuel line there at that point, but it actually just comes apart. So get this out of position. And in there, you have the actual thermostat itself. There's no gasket or anything, that's all gone. So I'm not really sure when was the last time they replaced this, but I believe in 2000 was the last time it was used. So I'll be getting a new thermostat. Gotta clean all that inside. Okay, thanks for watching.